Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens with smoked turkey legs. First, thoroughly wash and trim about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens, removing any tough stems. Next, in a large pot or Dutch oven, sear 2 smoked turkey legs over medium-high heat until they are nicely browned on all sides. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor. While they sear, chop 1 large onion and 3 cloves of garlic, setting them aside for the next step. After searing the turkey legs, remove them briefly from the pot. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pot, sautéing them until they are soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Deglaze the pot with a splash of water or broth, scraping up any brown bits. Return the turkey legs to the pot, then pour in 6 cups of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Bring to a simmer, then cover and cook for 1.5 hours. Once the turkey legs are tender, carefully remove them from the pot and set them aside to cool slightly. Shred the meat from the bones, discarding any skin or gristle. Now, add the prepared collard greens to the simmering broth in batches, allowing them to wilt down before adding more. Stir well to combine everything. Cover the pot again and let the greens cook for 45 to 60 minutes, or until they are very tender. Finally, return the shredded smoked turkey meat to the pot with the tender collard greens. Stir everything together gently to ensure the meat is well distributed and heated through. Taste the greens and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, or to your preference. Serve these delicious collard greens hot, perhaps alongside some warm cornbread, for a truly comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.